Right, this is Brandon's new Slam. It's from his old one, so it's a Scooter Chet V2. It's got red LGR long necks with plastic LGR barons with the browns on. It's got painted bars with yellow, purple and all sorts of colours in there, with a few scratches. It's got the red Blazer Pro clamp, 4 bolts, with the stock headset, Slam headset, painted cards, Slam fork, painted as well, red Blazer Pro wheel with Bones bearings, with a quick case of bearing in there because he broke his Bones Red. It's got the Slam deck, pretty strong, with the welded down head tube, so for more strength. Deck plates for lightness. It's got hazard enough grip tape cut out. It's got the stock brake. It's got another Slam wheel with Bones bearings. I'll show you how dull it is a bit. This is brake.